In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. First, open Canva and create your email design. Choose a layout like a newsletter or promotional email template. Customize the text, images, colors, and branding to match your business. Next, once your design is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner, scroll down and look for the More option, then find and select Mailchimp from the list of integrations. If this is your first time connecting the two platforms, Canva will ask you to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your credentials and authorize the connection. After connecting, choose the Mailchimp audience or account you want to use. Then select your design and export it directly to Mailchimp. Canva will send the design as an image that you can use inside your email campaign. Now open Mailchimp and go to Campaigns, then create a new email campaign. In the Email Builder, insert your Canva design as an image and add any additional text or links if needed. Once everything is ready, preview your email and send it to your audience. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.